Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Tecno mobile setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off app lock in Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to off app lock, you want to remove app lock password in Tecno mobile. So friends, now let's see how to remove Tecno mobile app lock password one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, in your Tecno mobile, how to turn off and how to remove app lock password. First of all friends, we will tap on phone master application app. After turning on phone master application, friends, scroll down here, tap here app lock setting, and you don't know your app lock password, so you can forget. You can unlock your app lock password with your security question answer. If you know security question answer, so you can unlock your app lock password with security question answer. Enter your answer, then option tap here app lock will unlock. So friends, I will enter my password. After enter password guys, app lock setting will unlock. First of all guys, we will unlock application in Tecno. So friends, unlock your apps and remove your app lock password. So friends, I will unlock all app in my Tecno mobile. I will unlock all app. After unlock all app, you don't want to use app lock password, tap here app lock setting icon, enable app lock setting. Friends, we will tap here and app lock password will remove in your Tecno mobile. App lock password will remove. And friends, again if you tap here, you can draw new pattern for app lock setting, and you can again start your app lock in your mobile. Enter security question answer and remember your answer. Okay, if you forget your password in case, so you can unlock your app lock with security question answer. Okay friends, remember your security question answer, done. App lock will again start. You can lock app in your Tecno mobile. Tap here setting icon, enable app lock setting, tap here turn off app lock setting. App lock will off in your Tecno mobile and you can use your phone without app lock. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Now do you have any doubt, you have any problem in Tecno mobile app lock setting, so you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. And friends, you want to use hide app setting, so friends you can use here hide app setting. Enter your hide app password and you can hide app in your mobile. Bye.